this is Jay with the Columbia Watch Society, and today I'm here to give you a quick unboxing and review of the newest release from Spinnaker Watches, the Sorrento, reference SP-5067. This watch is inspired by the serene Sorrento, which is the gateway to the Amalfi Coast, which is a 30-mile stretch of coastline in southern Italy. So here it is. I'll go ahead and apologize for the glare that you're seeing on this crystal. This is a domed sapphire crystal, and so it is very difficult to video and take photographs of, so I'm just apologizing ahead of time for that. The most notable feature on this watch is the redwood bezel insert. It is a wooden bezel insert. You don't really get the color is it almost looks black in this video, or at least what I'm seeing. I'll put some pictures at the end. It's actually a nice dark brown reddish wood. It's really cool. And the wooden bezel is inspired by the wooden hulled speedboats that you see frequently on the coastline of Italy. Very popular mode of transportation and pleasure craft that you see there. So that's where they came up with the idea. And you know, the last couple of years you've seen a lot of watch companies that come out with like solid wooden watches, and I've always been skeptical of the quality that I've seen there. And I've never had one. I've had friends that had them in the last couple months and break. So this is kind of a way to get some of the same features, to have that wood, just something that's got part of this wood in a watch, and actually get some of the same durability and quality that in stainless steel and other components. So the case, this is a 43 millimeter diameter dial. The thickness is approximately 13.6, and that includes the case back and the crystal. This is made of 316L marine grade stainless steel, and you got nice features of, you got just a polished, and then you got the most of the case is brushed, which I think's done really nicely. Like I said, the sapphire crystal, which is a really nice feature, and one that Spinnaker seems to be adding on most of their newer watches. The display case back, which I absolutely love. You can really, if you're a watch geek, you can really see that movement, that Miyota 8 series movement really working hard. Got the Spinnaker logo stamped on that dark brown rotor. It's nicely done. You've got 100 meters of water resistance. That's back there as well. They're really cool case back. I'm digging it. On the crown, sign crown with the Spinnaker logo. Get a good look at that. This is screw down. That's something you can use in and out of the water. As far as the dial, really love the dial. It's got a lot of different levels, different textures. There on the center is that ribbed or like ruffled, raised. I don't really know the best way to describe it, but it's very unique. I don't know that I've seen it on any other watches, at least not lately. So it's Spinnaker always has some really cool designs, and this is just add this one to the list. It seems like they're definitely getting better and better. The dial, just a really classic look on the dial. It's not too busy, but it's got a lot of very unique features when you just really sit down and look at it. It's just got a lot to offer. You got raised indices. There you got the 12 and the 6 there. The date function in the 3 o'clock position. And you have the 60-second sub dial, and in the 5 o'clock position. Pencil hands. Just very classy look. Overall, really like the dial design. Like I said earlier, it's got the Miyota 8 series movement. Got that same movement in several other watches. It's always been one that I could rely on. Very dependable movement. Been often referred to as a workhorse movement. So yeah, I'm pleased with it in other watches. I haven't worn this watch yet, just received it, and since it releases today, I wanted to get this video out as soon as possible so I don't have any experience on the wrist with it. But you can check out my Instagram account at the Columbia Watch Society, and I'll throw some wrist shots up, and you'll see this frequent my story over the next couple of weeks because I will definitely be wearing it. On to the strap, 22 millimeter strap. This is a leather, like a waterproof leather. This is different than the straps that I've had on the last few Spinnaker watches that I've gotten. It's definitely more just softer, more supple. It's a really nice leather strap. I like it a lot. Hand stitching, just a really cool strap. This is like a chocolate brown. You've got the Spinnaker logo stamped on the tang buckle. Yeah, man, I really like the strap. But anyway, this is it. The Spinnaker Sorrento. Again, it's reference SP-5067. Today is the first day of the launch, and it will be available for, I guess, I don't know if it's pre-sale, though, pre-sign-ups until February the 27th. And then you'll be able to purchase it. But they will send you, once you sign up, they'll send you an email. Very likely will be at a discounted price from what you'll be able to get after the 27th. So if you're interested in the watch, I would definitely recommend you go ahead and sign up for it so that you'll be one of the first ones to get it when they release it, because those people will obviously be first in line. And just with that wooden bezel, very unique feature, something that obviously people are looking for because people are buying just solid wooden watches all the time. I see a lot of friends with them, and what you're getting here is a way better quality than you're going to get in any of those. But you still get that wood and that nice, that look. So anyway, got any comments, please put them below and I will get back to you ASAP. Again, I really appreciate it if you would subscribe to this channel. If nothing else, it motivates us to keep putting out some videos because we know that you guys somebody's enjoying it. Anyway, y'all have a good night. Thanks.